Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure. Today we will be talking about acupressure points for arthritis. What is arthritis? Arthritis is an inflammation of the joints. It can affect one joint or multiple joints at a time. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis which include osteoarthritis, then rheumatoid arthritis, etc. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here, you can see this is our Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page, we share many acupressure related posts. Do check it out. Our acupressure point is on the front side of our hand on the middle finger. You can see this first joint of the middle finger. If you draw a straight line exactly from the center of this joint area, so on that line itself towards small finger side is this point. See. So on the middle finger, on the first joint of the middle finger, so if you draw exact line in the center of that joint, so the point is on that line itself. The point is towards the small finger side. This point is called as kidney 2, K2. Okay. So on this point, what we'll do with the help of the backside of a jimmy, we'll press this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, we'll apply one star magnet on this point. If you aren't having magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these jimmies and things which we use and acupressure are included in that kit. If you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details and you can message on that number and you can buy it for yourself. So on this point, we'll apply one star magnet in such a way that the pointed side of the star magnet should touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the black side of the star magnet. Okay. So we'll apply one star magnet on this point properly. This point is bilateral, that means you can treat it on both the hands. You need to apply this magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the result. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.